Yo, what's up, guys? So, we are here today, and today I will be cooking a turkey. Well, I'll be smoking it because this is my first time ever smoking turkey or cooking the family turkey because our Thanksgiving's a tad bit early because I'll be fishing down at the beach, so I'll have some fishing videos for you guys. But yeah, this is gonna be like a early Thanksgiving with turkey. And let me show you guys the turkey real quick. So, got the table set up here beside the Blackstone. Turkey's in there. It's been brining. Didn't really know if I needed to do that or not, but went ahead and did it. We're gonna put Montreal chicken seasoning on there in just a minute, guys. So, and I got the smoker getting ready to Alright guys, so we got Montreal chicken, and now it's time to season the turkey breast. As I'm doing a turkey breast, it's 6 pounds. Let's just season it up. No clue if this seasoning will even be any good on this turkey. I'm about called it a chicken. But hopefully this thing is good, because it's the only turkey we're gonna have. Because on actual Thanksgiving, having a crab bowl, shrimp, crab, sausage, corn, all that good stuff. Alright, so it's sticking to my hand. Let's wipe that off. Oh, that's gonna feel bad, but let's just see if I can. Okay, we have reached the correct temperature, my guys, and I'm standing in the smoke. Make sure this thing tastes good. That's not gonna work. And I'm gonna flip it 2 times, or I don't know how many times I'm gonna flip it. It's gotta reach 165 internal, so. Alright, guys, I think it's time to put her on. Alright, guys, putting her on. Let's go ahead and season it back while we're right here. Right here, guys. So we got good tasting turkey. Don't want to be bland. Alright, time to go get some wood. Alright guys, I'm in the building here, and we got Cowboy brand mesquite wood chunks for smoking. Don't know if I really want my turkey to taste like smoke, but like, you know, last time I used these I made beef jerky on the smoker. Best in the world. Like, it was, oh my gosh, never have regular beef jerky again after that. But it tasted, I put a lot of these in there and made it taste like straight smoke. Like, it literally tasted like I was like standing in like a campfire smoke. But it was really good. So hopefully the turkey won't taste like that, because I'll be eating on this for a while after, if there's any left over from our thing today. And they're about this big. They're from a tree because it's wood, obviously. So we're just gonna get a few of these and toss them in on the top, and start making that turkey smoke. Alright, you guys, back at the smoker here, and just in case you guys were wondering, it's a Masterbuilt smoker. It's kind of new. We got it a few months ago, so we didn't have anything but the Blackstone. So let's pop this thing open. This is where you put your charcoal in and other stuff like the wood. You can see there's some charcoal down there. We're gonna toss this on top because that'll catch. Probably should have put some in while I was putting charcoal in. Here's a huge piece. Alright, I'll close that back up, and that gets really hot. When I was cooking some T-bones a bit ago, that got really hot. Alright, so now we gotta put the probe in the turkey. So it's got a little screen here, and it's actually a probe built in, and you can have 4 of them hooked up. So let's figure out how I'm gonna probe this freaking turkey. Ooh, I don't know. I'm really trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this turkey with the probe. Alright, you guys, we got this thing shut, and now I have to wait about an hour and 45. I'm cooking it 225, so I'm smoking it pretty low. Turkey's at 40 degrees. Hold up, let me wait for this thing to change again. So yeah, we're at 224 temperature right now. So so we're at 40 degrees internal. We got to get a 165, but I'm gonna flip this thing about an hour and 45 through. So I need to go ahead and set a timer on the phone here, because that's kind of important. I need to, yep. So an hour 45, and we're gonna start that. Okay, and now it's gotta chill out and wait for a whole hour and 45. And you know, first things, guys, or before I have to go wait a long time, but 30-degree weather, good thing is got that going, so I'm chilling. But this, the Masterbuilt, I think this is like the Gravity series. I don't know which one, but it keeps the temperature, like it uses fans, and it keeps the temperature at like your desired temperature. So I know when I was cooking my beef jerky, I set it to 160, and it held it there. And yeah, you can use this for beef jerky. You just gotta get some meat hooks. Works really well, guys. If you guys want me to do a beef jerky tutorial next, let me know in the comments. I might just do that anyways, because I love beef jerky and I need a new batch. Anyways, guys, gotta go wait a whole hour and 45 now. Alright, guys, this is the halfway check. Let's see how this thing's going. It doesn't look really cooked, but you know, it's going. Feel the heat in there. Once again, we're only keeping it 225. That's not too bad. So hopefully in another 2 hours it'll be done. I don't know if I want to flip it. I don't know if I'm supposed to flip it or not. So we're gonna see. I think I'm just like gonna leave it as is and not flip it and see what happens, because Google says both things. So I'm guessing I'm just gonna have to learn by doing this time. And hopefully this Thanksgiving dinner does not get fricked up because of that. We'll see. We'll find out in 2 hours, guys. Okay, guys, we are here and I am cooking, and we had to turn the temperature up to 285 because we had to eat by 1 o'clock, and it's 12:47, and we're at 150 out of 165, and I've been cooking since 8 o'clock this morning. So hour and 45 and an hour and 45, so 3 hours 30 minutes. That is not right. 2 hours for 225 degrees. So like I said, we're doing this as we go along. Let's look at the turkey real quick. It's looking a lot better. You know, I'm almost run out of charcoal, but I've been adding a lot of mesquite wood in there. So when it's done, we'll see what we got and we'll see how it tastes. Guys, I got the heat glove on. We're gonna take it off now. Take this out now because we're at cooking at 350 now because I want to crispy up the sides before this thing's done. It's at 157 internal. So let me wait till it gets 160. No, you know what? We're gonna take it out now. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just make sure don't use this as a tutorial. I didn't really know what I was doing, but it ended up tasting really, really, really good. So one of the best turkeys I've ever had. So yeah, we ate it all basically. Ate on it for a few days. Ended up tasting really good. So yeah. And if you got any tips for turkey cooking or smoking anything in general, just let me know in the comments on what I should do next time. Yeah, it was really moist too. So just let me know if you guys got any tips, and have a nice day, guys.